How to set the camera button to open the camera, code scanner, or magnifier on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Camera. Next, tap on Camera Control. Now in here, you can choose Camera, Code Scanner, or Magnifier. So I select Magnifier. Now when I press on the button, it will open up Magnifier instead of the camera. So you can assign 3 different functions to this button. At the moment, it is restricted to only 3 options: camera, code scanner, or magnifier. And here, if I set camera, when I press on the button, it will open up the camera instead. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.